Changing your payout method on Shopify is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your payout method easily. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to payout settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option at the bottom left corner of the admin dashboard. Click on it to access various settings related to your store. Step 3. Select payments. In the settings menu, find and click on the payments section. This area contains all the information related to your payment providers and payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, ensure you save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be changed, and you can start receiving payments through your new selected option.